يفضل يقولك
العب يلا العب يلا ما تلعب يلا العب يلا.
Hello guys, it's me, Hackerman Indian 96907, and today I'm going to teach you how to hack into NASA. So if we go into the NASA website right now, look at all this. It's like really boring, and oh, I've got my dark mode on, but look, see, it's really boring and dark. But you want to prove that you're really smart, but you're really pretentious, right? So you try to act and you try to hack NASA. So I am going to teach you today how to hack into NASA. So basically what you want to do in order to hack into NASA is you want to go into your Windows and you want to go write CMD or command prompt, and then from here you'll see this black box. So if I close this, if I go into this black box, you see right here, and then I write in the command ipconfig. Okay, you write ipconfig and you'll get all this weird information. So you see Ethernet adapter, blah 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 blah, and then basically what you want is to go into like this really epic thingy right here, and then you want to go select all this, okay, and then you want to go, actually no, that's wrong, you want to go select all of this right here, and then you want to select all of this, and then you press Ctrl+C, okay, and then if we go here, we've copied all of that. So if we check, let's see, everything copied up. So basically what you want to do is, if I delete all of this, which I am going to do right now, we go into the YouTube comment, we go into YouTube, and then we go into oh shit, this looks really bad without my dark mode, bro. We go into YouTube, and then we go into my channel, and then you go into my latest video, we go into my recommended video called I'm Back and No One Asked and Don't Ask Why. And then we go click here on add a public comment, and then you Control V, and then you go write comment on this video, and yeah, so that's basically it. So now if we go into the official NASA website, so if we go click up NASA, and then we go click on this, bruh, OMG guys, bruh, look at this. Look, we got the totally legit NASA website, and look, it said that they got hacked, bruh. And basically this is how you hack into NASA. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join my free YouTube giveaway, which is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.